Hey, beautiful souls, it's Empress Shay. Welcome back to the Jupiter Retrograde in Cancer Healing Portal, a 30-day journey of emotional wisdom, ancestral release, intuitive awakening, and soul level rebirth. Each day, we're moving deeper into alignment, deeper into clarity, and deeper into the truth of who we are becoming. Let today's message meet you where you are, hold you with grace, and guide you with love. Let's flow. Day 4. Emotional Foundations and Inner Security. Building emotional stability from within, reclaiming safety, reparenting the self. Jupiter retrograde in Cancer invites you to return to your emotional foundation, the inner structure that determines how safe, supported, and rooted you feel in the world. Day 4 focuses on inner security, not the kind that depends on others' approval, consistency, or validation, but the kind that grows when you learn to emotionally anchor yourself. Cancer rules the home, inner child, memory, and emotional safety. With Jupiter retrograde here, expansion comes through reviewing emotional habits, healing childhood patterns, and strengthening your inner sense of belonging. Today, you are learning that emotional safety is something you can create, cultivate, and maintain within yourself, regardless of external circumstances. This is the foundation that allows healthy relationships, abundance, and intuitive clarity to grow. Day 4 of the Jupiter retrograde in Cancer healing portal centers on emotional foundations, inner safety, and self-nurturing. This lesson explores how emotional security is formed, how earning experiences influence current reactions, and how to rebuild a stable inner home. Jupiter retrograde in Cancer supports deep emotional healing, inner child work, and reparenting practices that strengthen self-trust and belonging. Today's guidance helps you create emotional stability from within rather than seeking it externally. This is a powerful day for grounding, reflection, and reconnecting your emotional roots. Ideal for those navigating emotional healing, inner child work, self-trust, and intuitive growth. And before you go, take a moment to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Your support truly helps this healing space reach the souls who were meant to find it. I also want to remind you that I offer weekly tarot readings on my YouTube channel, Healing Energy with Empress Shay. Our energy reading drops every Thursday. We're here and we look at the energy of the collective along with the current planetary alignments. So you receive the full picture of what the stars are activating and how the energy is showing up in your life. And every Saturday, I released the Jupiter Retrograde in Cancer reading, which focuses on the deeper emotional internal shifts happening during the retrograde. And the healing portal doesn't stop there. Even though the Grand Water Trine has completed, this journey continues all the way until Jupiter retrograde ends on March 10th. The portal has always been deeply connected to Jupiter retrograde in Cancer, which was the primary energy of the trine, activating your fourth house of home, family, emotional roots, and inner security. And because Jupiter is retrograde, this work is internal, reflective, and transformative. So stay with the process. Trust what's surfacing and honor the healing happening beneath the surface. Thank you for being here, and thank you for flowing with me today, beautiful souls. As this Jupiter retrograde in Cancer continue to open and cleanse our emotional world, remember, your healing is your power, your clarity is your protection, and your softness is your strength. Take what resonates, release what doesn't, and keep moving gently towards rebirth. I'll meet you again tomorrow as we rise, align, and evolve, one day at a time. Stay grounded, stay open, and stay divine. This has been Empress Shay. Have yourself a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you.